This is for anyone who feels like things are not moving as fast as they should. Or you might be at a sticking point in your business. Maybe your messaging or pitch doesn't feel quite right. Your sales are slower than you want. Your motivation and enthusiasm has dropped off. Or you feel like things are just not clicking. And all the while, your competition is not slowing down. You're at a place right now where you need some kind of breakthrough to feel forward momentum. Hi, my name's Sterling Caporale. Since 2018, I've been helping entrepreneurs start and grow businesses. I do not push a course, long-term coaching, or a subscription model of any kind. 100% of my focus is helping business owners at specific intersections find the exact solutions they need as fast as possible. I want you to know there is a way to stop spinning your wheels, start growing your business, and be more focused. And it can happen in only 2 days. See, I understand the obstacles in owning and operating a business. I can relate to the struggles of being overwhelmed, uncertain, or even scared for what the future will bring. In my years of working with business owners, I've learned what they need most is a strategic partner who can help them with their unique challenges. Someone who can help connect the dots with all aspects of their business and articulate a clear vision of what needs to happen with the right actions and in the right order. Someone who knows what methods will produce the fastest results in the shortest amount of time with the highest return on investment. Because let's be real, without this kind of approach and someone to help you step by step, more education or coaching is not going to help. Meaningful change happens when there's a clear vision of what's holding you back and a trusted person you can collaborate with to reach the desired results. I've learned that every business and business owner is unique. There's rarely a one-size-fits-all solution, which is why each Ninth Ambition program is tailored to your specific challenges and best outcomes, ones that provide immediate actions to get you moving in the right direction. I take the time to understand you, your business environment, your obstacles, and what you want to achieve. Then we engage and execute together to make it happen. You'll receive insights that are guaranteed to create traction. And the best part? The change starts right away, not weeks or months from now. See, my background is I've always been an entrepreneur slash business fanatic. And before I forget, check out my LinkedIn profile and let's make sure we connect. My success has allowed me to do what I truly love and what I know is my purpose in life, helping others improve and run their business in a way that creates their greatest fulfillment. So, in just 2 days, we'll take on your most pressing issues: marketing, branding, business planning, product roadmap, sales, customer acquisition strategy, your product market fit, your personal productivity, self-development, self-improvement, more focus, or anything else you want to improve. This means your business gets the help it needs from day one, and it happens through proprietary approaches that have worked for dozens of business owners over the years. Past clients report that they've experienced renewed clarity, improved efficiency, faster sales, better marketing results, more motivation, and more sustainable growth, and all without a long-term commitment. For many years, there was an 8-week structure that put each entrepreneur through the 9 ambitions. Yet what I learned is that most business owners get stuck on specific and very consistent aspects in their business. And this is where we would spend the majority of our time together. So, in 2025, the offerings were restructured to be highly intensive and focus on core items. The components so important that they must be optimized or a business will never reach its highest potential. In every program, we start with an overview of you as a person and business owner, then move to your product or offering, followed by a review of your internal and external messaging. We'll analyze branding, marketing, perceived value, marketing channels, and how you attract people to your business, and then go on to convert them to clients. We'll talk about the sales process, ways to close more sales, build more trust, and gain more referrals. We'll talk about business automation systems, technologies, AI tools, partnerships, and other ways to scale your business. And lastly, We'll dive into your purpose and what it is you want to accomplish in the next 2, 3, or 5 years, and how your business should fit into that. And don't worry, after 2 days together, we will have built a friendship, so I'll be checking in on your progress moving forward. Look, I realize how challenging business is in today's world. I understand the struggle. Most entrepreneurs are at a crossroads of some kind multiple times a year and need someone who is detached from the situation to talk through the best strategic decisions. In my experiences, I've learned that most entrepreneurs don't lack the capacity to grow their business. They lack knowing what is the best pathway to get from where they are to where they want to be. And because I recognize each business is unique, I know they need a distinct market approach. No two strategies have ever been the same, even in the same industry. And that's because no two businesses are the same. So ask yourself this: is it possible there's something that's holding me or my business back? And if I could figure out what this is and then find a solution, would I be in a much better place? By the way, I'm not someone who got lucky once or twice and then became qualified to talk about business. I had the privilege to go to a Tier 1 college and work a decade in corporate America. I've owned and have a track record in multiple successful and multiple unsuccessful businesses. I've been through product cycles and tech evolutions, and I recognize the difference between what's trending from sound business principle. If what I'm saying applies to you and is in any way resonating, then I hope we can talk. There's a button right underneath this video that will take you to a short 9 questions. When you've completed that, I'll reach out via email to schedule a call. When we talk in person, I want to hear about your situation, your experiences, what's working or not working in your business, and of course, your long-term goals. We'll map out a strategy and talk about which program might be the best for you. We'll then end the call, and you can think about what was talked about. Then and only then, we can decide how we want to move forward. There will never be any high pressure. And if we don't work together, and some people don't, that's okay. On the call, I will have pointed you in the right direction and given you some resources, and we'll have made a connection for the future. And no matter what, please watch my YouTube channel, and hopefully some video creates a shift in your thinking or provides a takeaway you can use. The reason most entrepreneurs struggle isn't because they aren't smart enough or disciplined enough, young or old enough, or even educated. It's because they don't have the right solutions to their most pressing problems in the moment, and they lose traction. I hope you can sense that I love helping people realize that growing a business takes a different set of skills than starting one. And that's exactly why so many people get stalled out somewhere along the journey. When we have our call, tell me about the resistance or obstacle you are facing so we can start talking about viable solutions. And hey, if value's not delivered in our conversation, then there's no point in working together and no reason for you to move forward. And of course, if you want names, websites, and phone numbers of actual people I've worked with in the past, I'm happy to provide that. So right now, you have options. You can keep everything exactly as is in your business. This means any challenges will still be there. You might make mistakes, and it could be more expensive or time-consuming in the long run. Or you and I can work together. Now, I'm positive this will provide faster results, be more fulfilling, less expensive, less stressful, and maybe even fun as we work together on your business. Okay, if you're prepared to be authentic and put in the effort, I'm certain your business can evolve like it has for so many others. I often say business is like natural selection. The ones who thrive are the ones who adapt and make the necessary changes, because what got you here won't get you there. If something in your business doesn't work for you, then it's not working. At the end of the day, I want you to be successful without killing or working yourself to death. The entrepreneurial lifestyle is real. I've seen it work so many times, where people go from literally nothing to something they couldn't have even imagined. Not only creating wealth, but living life on their terms, where they wake up excited and full of purpose, where they know their life has meaning and they're building something their family will be proud of. However, it doesn't happen without the right support and the proper actualization of what is possible. My ability is seeing how things should look in a perfect world. I can visualize all the steps to an end result. My highest strengths are futuristic and strategic, meaning I can see how all the elements line up to get someone where they need to be. So, let's get started. Imagine a new enthusiasm for your business and feeling excited about the future. Sounds crazy, right? Click the button below. It's our chance to talk. I want you to ask me the hard questions and let's deep dive into your current situation. Together, we'll work on a clear, actionable plan tailored just for you. No high pressure sales on my part, just real solutions. If you're serious about the potential of your business and would like the guidance and support of someone who can get you there, take the first step and get started now. I look forward to talking in person.